Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it's a makeup advent calendar, and it is the NYX 24-day Gimme Superstars advent calendar. I'm sure that advent calendars are getting smaller, which is a good thing. It's a good thing as long as the products aren't getting even smaller. But yeah, just less packaging. But I've noticed it a lot this year with certain advent calendars I've had so far, especially the Benefit one, which is coming up in the next couple of days. That is really small. But anyway, this is what it looks like inside. So I'm going to be opening it up, showing you exactly what's inside each door, and any lip products. I'm going to be doing swatches on my lips so you're able to see the sort of shades that are inside. The cost of this advent calendar is £59, and I bought it from the Look Fantastic website, and it has a value of £106.25. All links and everything related to this calendar, plus all other calendars I've already unboxed, you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Really easy to follow, just goes across like this, so no problem there. Okay, so number one, we've got a lipstick. I absolutely love NYX lipsticks. I've been having their advent calendars now for a good couple of years, mainly because of their lipsticks. Yes, we do get the odd dodgy colour that I wouldn't wear, but then overall, I do really like these advent calendars. So we've got a butter gloss here, and this is in shade Praline. And what are the sizes? What can I tell you about them? They are 4.7 mils. So the little minis they're not full size. I'm not sure actually if anything in this advent calendar is full size this year. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it. Look. Gorgeous nude there. So let's try it on. Okay, just taking off my lipstick. I really like it. It's so creamy, it's so glossy. Yeah, really impressed with that. Love their butter glosses anyway. And their liquid suedes, and yeah. I'm a big fan of NYX lipsticks, so that's day number one. Okay, day number two over here. And we've got what looks like a blush. And this is Utopia Soft Pink Press Pigment. Oh, that's what it looks like there. That's a nice shade. Yeah. See there? Yeah, that's nice. Definitely a shade I'd wear. So that's day number two. Okay, day number three. We've got, I was just thinking then, it's not a black lipstick, is it? This is an eyeshadow base, so it's a HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. I don't think I've ever tried an eyeshadow base from them before. I don't think so. The colour there, oh, excuse that. I had a bite from a mosquito, I think, a couple of nights ago, or a couple of mornings ago, and yeah, it doesn't want to go away. It does leave a really nice finish on my skin. It evens out skin tone, and it does feel really, really nice. So that's day number, I think it's number three. I've forgotten already. Yeah, it is. Okay then, day number four. We've got Born to Glow. This is a liquid illuminator, and there's 6 mils here. Now last year NYX came out with 2 advent calendars. They came out with a 24-day one, and they came out with a 12-day one, and the 12-day one was just little lipsticks, and I got that as well. There, you're not going to be able to see it there. Oh, maybe you might. Yeah. This is not for me. I prefer more champagne tones, but I'm sure I can pass that on. So there's that. Day number 5. Got another lipstick, and we've got a soft matte lip cream in shade Leon. Another promising colour there. Okay, these soft matte lip creams are so lovely to apply. The applicator as well is nice. You can get right in there. No need for a lip liner. Yeah, that's a really nice colour again. Definitely one I would wear. Okay, now on to day number 6, and we have got a highlighter. I think so. This is a pressed pigment, Utopia Rose Gold. No, no, that's more like an eyeshadow. I got a feeling that blush that I showed you, possibly day 2 or day 3, that might be an eyeshadow as well, because it doesn't say blush. That is gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Yeah, I do really like that. Day number 7. Woo! Rip the whole calendar. Got another lipstick. This is another butter gloss, And we've got it in shade Cinnamon Roll. For me personally, I think that might be a little bit too dark. We'll see. It feels amazing. It's an okay shade, but it is not for me. I just think that it makes my teeth look a really strange colour. I'm not going to show you. No. Not for me. Not for me, unfortunately. Okay, day number 8. Woo! They just want to fall out. And we have got another eyeshadow. Another pressed pigment. And this is in shade Brown Shimmer. So I was reading up about this advent calendar. It's the perfect advent calendar to count down to Christmas. So expect, ooh, whoa, ooh, 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 I love this. Look. So expect glitters, shimmers. Can you see the colours merging? So you've got a copper, a red, a brown, a gold. That is really, really lovely. What a mess in my hand though, but yeah, I love that. Day number 9. I've got another lip gloss. I keep saying lip gloss, but no, it's a butter gloss. And we've got it in shade Fortune Cookie, which from the packaging reminds me of lipsticks from the 90s. Or should I say, not lipsticks, concealers. Anyone used to do that? Apply concealer to your lips to make your lips look as pale as possible. I'm not sure what that would be like actually on my lips, but it does look gorgeous. It's like a very pale peachy pink colour. Ooh. Oh god. For me personally, I think it's horrible. It's just weird. It's just weird. What do you think? Yeah, unfortunately, Fortune Cookie is a no-go for me. Okay, day number 10. And we've got another Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And this is in shade Gleam. You see that? Just blend that in. Feels really nice. It's giving it a slight colour there as well. So if you like your liquid highlighters and blushes, I think this will blend in really, really nicely. Yeah, not a bad colour. Day number 11. We've got a lipstick. I can get this off now. Woohoo! Right, we have got Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Abu Dhabi. Now these shades so far are very similar. Very, very similar. I like that. I really do like that. Okay. A really nice colour. I will wear it. I love these soft matte creams. They feel very moussey. Oh, it just makes my lips feel amazing. Yeah, I do really like that. Number 12, halfway through. And we've got another eyeshadow. And this is Utopia Gold. And that is it. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Let's see what it's like. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. That is stunning. I'm more likely to wear that shade underneath my eyes, do a quite dark smoky eye look, but then have a flash of this colour underneath. I think that would be really pretty. Yeah, I like that. It's a little bit different. Day number 13. Yay! We got a different shade, or different tonal shade then. We have got here a soft matte lip colour in shade Monte Carlo. I cannot wait to try this. Cannot wait. Yeah, that's gorgeous. A nice berry colour. I love it. It is such a pretty colour. Definitely one I'd wear. What I've noticed so far though is that we haven't had anything really pigmented like the liquid silks then, you know. The soft matte cream and obviously the butter glosses. You have to cover your lips with a few layers of the lipstick, but we'll see now as we go along. But yeah, happy with that one. I love it. Day number 14. And we've got something for your pores. This is a pore filler primer. And there's 6 mils here, and I've tried this before and I think I like it. I'll say I think, it's because I can't really remember. I have got a, yes I have, it's orange, I do remember it now. Can you see that? I've got quite a few little pore primers, pore filling primers, this sort of size. Smashbox, Benefit, feels so nice. and they do work. Not necessarily for keeping makeup on your face, but I use them to actually fill in my pores. I have got large pores all across my nose there. No matter what skincare I use, nothing changes. Nothing changes. So yeah, pore fillers are fab. They're my go-to if I'm after a flawless looking makeup look. So number 15 over here, and we've got a finishing powder. This is a HD finishing powder, and we've got 3.3 grams there. I tried this in last year's advent calendar, or unless I've received it in a beauty box. I have got one already. It's okay, but it's not one I go to then. But yeah, HD finishing powder. So there's that. Day number 16. We've got another lipstick. Soft matte lip cream again, and this is in shade Budapest. That's really nice. It's not as dark as what I thought it would be on my lips. I really like it. Again, it just feels so soft. I love these soft mattes. I keep going on, I gotta stop. So yeah, so another shade I really like. Number 17. Oh, we've got another lipstick. This one is short-lived on me. We have got a butter gloss in shade Tiramisu. That's really lovely. You can see up there. Yeah, that is gorgeous. This one looks nicer on my hand than it does on my lips, I think. I don't know. I think maybe it's because I've just freshly dyed my hair. So there's a bit of a contrast, but normally I don't care. Things like that. There's something about it. I'm not that keen on it. Nah. I'll pass that on. Number 18. And we've got a lip oil. These are amazing. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're one of my favourite lip oils out there. I tend to use lip oils when I'm wearing a really matte lipstick that does not budge. You know, the types that last all day. Put a little bit of oil on, gives a little bit of a shine to my lips. It moisturises it a little bit, but not enough so that the matte lipstick disappears. Yeah, I do really like them. I've already got a lip gloss, but underneath, but let's add some more. Ooh, super shiny. Yeah, I love lip oils. Number 19. Oh, we've got a gorgeous eyeshadow. This is beautiful. This is called Purple Shimmer. Yeah, really pretty. Wow, how gorgeous is that? Yeah, I love that shade. Number 20. We've got another butter gloss, and this is in shade Butterscotch. Back to the nudes. I don't want to take this one off. It just feels so nice on my lips. It's a nice natural nude gloss there. I feel like it's very similar to one I've already tried in this video. It is nice though. I do really like it. Number 21. And I've got another lipstick. It's another soft matte lip cream. And this is in shade Stockholm. It's a lovely pinky toned nude. That's pretty. I do really like that. It's not normally a shade I'd go to. Again, it doesn't really complement my teeth. But it's nice. It feels amazing after scrubbing all the lipsticks off. I do really like these creams. 3 more left. We're on number 22. And I'm predicting an eyeshadow. Yes. And this time we've got a matte purple, and this is dark purple, it says. There. Try on my hand. Wow. Yeah. So the colour there, that is beautiful. So far, well, there's 2 left, so I doubt if we'll see anything dramatically different. But so far, this calendar is not as wacky as previous calendars have been, which is good, What I like anyway. Okay, number 23. And we've got another lipstick. This is a soft matte lip cream again in shade Copenhagen. Now this is really dark. It's beautiful though. It is a darker shade of the one I tried on earlier. That is 1 layer and I really do like it. It's given it like a lip stained sort of look. Yeah, I do really like it. It's not too dark for me whatsoever. So I'm going to deepen it up and see what it looks like then. There, I do really like it. I do really like it. I'm so chuffed. I'll definitely wear it. So yeah, so that is day number 23. Last advent calendar drawer. And we've got another lipstick. We've got another butter gloss in Brownie Drip. These butter glosses are beautiful, but again, very, very similar to others we have seen so far. These butter glosses smell like chocolate. They smell absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's a really nice gloss. Definitely colour I'd wear. It's a really nice shade. I'll have a look now at all the other lipsticks that we've had so far, just to give you a bit of a recap, so then we can see what the differences are. So this is just a selection of very similar tonal lip glosses and lip creams. They are different. Some have more warmer tones. You've got more of a red, burgundy, grape toned lipsticks there. And then we've got a couple of eyeshadows, some liquid highlighters, a pore filler, an eyeshadow primer, and a lip oil as well. I love the fact that there's lots of lipsticks because that is what I love about NYX. But they've only added butter glosses and soft matte creams. It would have been so nice to have other lipsticks from their other ranges, which we have seen in previous advent calendars. But I am happy with the shades. There's nothing really wacky. There's no grey, there's no blue, there's no black. Okay, there is that concealer looking one, which I didn't really like. Overall, I'm really happy. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you ordered it for yourself? Are you buying it for a friend or for a daughter, niece, etc.? Or are you thinking, no, after I've seen this, I am not going to bother? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.